This video helps you how to insert comment shortcut key in Excel. If you want to insert a comment in a cells, particular cells, for example, I have inserted a comment here. When you hover the cursor on the particular cells, you will see a comment bar in the right side. There is a red dot on the upper side of the cells. Shows that there is a comment is inserted here. For example, you want to insert the comment in the K14 cells where my cursor is right now. So what you have to do, you need to press Shift plus F2. When you press Shift plus F2, you will see comment box in the right side. Here you can type whatever you want to type. For example, you can write anything like formula for the height to cms. Now if you want to edit the comment, what you have to do, you need to click on right click on, and after that you need to go to the edit comment. Here you can see that the comment box is up here again, and you have whatever you want to rewrite it. It's just like a sticky note and you can change it at any time. There is another way to edit the comment. What you have to do is you have to click on the review tab on the menu bar, and here you can see that edit comment. Click on that, and here you can edit and change your comment whatever you like. And if you want to delete this comment box, what you have to do is click on the cells and then right click, and after that delete comment. You will see that a delete comment. Just click on that, and here you can see that the comment box is deleted. And similarly, you want to also remove this comment box, just right click on that and delete comment. So in this way, I hope you have learned that how to insert comments shortcut key in Excel. If you like the video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.